In this video, I'm taking the rusted out doors off of the C10, getting some new ones, and starting body work on our $1,000 barn find.
Just working on the railroad. Trying to get these old doors off. I'll show you what they look like once we get them off. They are quite rusty and gross. Oh, there's a hornet's nest. What are the odds? Get in there.
Go ahead, send her to the moon, Terry.
So we have a weld on the door.
It's a little weld right there.
Right back here. And I feel like they probably didn't do it well enough for it to stay on.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's just some of the door.
Yeah, yeah. You didn't break the weld.
I did not break the weld. She will come off.
Oh, there she goes.
She goes. Doors off. Right now, I am headed out to pick up some new doors for the C10. Craziest story, I found a bed for sale. I was looking for C10 parts, so I looked up beds, trucks, doors, etc. Because I was looking for everything, and someone was selling a bed for $1,000. I asked if he happened to have any doors. He said he had 6. He had 3 pairs of doors. He's happy to give one away for a C10 build for free. So I'm getting a new set of doors with actual latches, hopefully. He said it was missing some of the interior stuff like the rails and the windows, but I can transfer those out of the current doors that are on there. So I'm headed out. It's only 20 minutes away, not far at all. Got the wrappy, gonna throw it in the back, and hopefully have a nice new set of doors that I have to do less body work to, and that actually have traditional pops and door handles instead of the weird door poppers that don't work where you have to reach in. I don't know if you can see all of the dust on here in the all black, but I just got done with sanding half of the truck. I'll show you that when I get back. I got half of it sanded down, need to do a little bit of body work on at least the one side, but really the body work isn't as bad as you might expect, or seeing the truck for the first time, it looked really bad. But I'm just gonna weld in new rockers, new cab corners, throw on the new doors. Really the rest of the truck was good after a few minor tweaks. So just wanted to give you that update, and I'll show you more with the truck when I have the truck.
So this person is who's giving me the door, and they own this truck. This is their baby. This is why they have all the spare parts, and it is a gorgeous step side.
When you rev it, it does more of the pop. It gets
Got it.
way worse. It's horrible.
Holy crap, check. We got the doors hanging out the bed. They are insanely clean. Way too clean. Way cleaner than I was expecting. He said he had 8 of them, and he was just wanting to get rid of them at this point because he got the doors on his, and as you just saw, he has the most insane clean build. He's really taken his time with it. It's bagged, I mean, everything's done. Complete frame off restoration. So, super cool guy. He makes automotive money as well. We were talking about a pit bike that he had in the past, and some other projects, and just stuff that he's made money on, and then other stuff that he's poured way too much money into, and it's a passion thing. So anyway, I got the doors. I'll show them to you when we get back, but they are rust free. They're stupid clean, and I am so happy because the doors that are on there now are junk, and they have that weird plopper thing that I don't want to deal with. So we're getting the brand new doors. It'll look way too minty. All of this corroded metal, as you can see, I just did a test right there and it looks a heck of a lot better with just one super quick pass. So I'm gonna do this whole thing. I'll probably end up doing a 50-50 split so you can see the difference between both sides. And after not too long at all, you can see the results. Is it astonishing and crazy and polished and amazing? No, not yet anyway. But it is a heck of a lot better than what it was. And for a driver's quality truck, which is what this is gonna end up being, it is much better. Did you like what I did?
Yeah, I did.
Can we get a quick reenactment? Falcon punch! Dang it. Oh, there it is. Good thing the hornet's nest is still in here. Got the old one cut out. And this is so you can see up close exactly what we're working with in terms of paint quality. All the spider cracking here, all along the side. I know I took pictures of the truck, but you can't see it too well in the pictures with this detail, how all of it needs to be sanded. So this is what we're working with. I already got this side rough sanded down, got a lot of the surface rust and stuff taken care of. As you can see, this side is a whole heck of a lot better than this side. But now we're gonna switch to the GoPro. I'm gonna sand down all the rough spots on the paint, all the surface rust, and these deeper spots of rust as well, and get this thing down to bare metal so we can get it prepped and ready for primer. So we are out here in a quick test drive in the truck with no door. It's a work in progress, but hey, gotta love it. Oh, don't stall on me, baby. You love it. Just cruising down the cornfields in my old C10. We got our little doors off.
So slick.
Now, if you're interested in learning how not to buy stuff like this, where you fall on your face, where you slip up and you make mistakes, but instead how you can strategically buy vehicles that you drive or even build for free or even profitably, then there's a link down below to a program that I have that teaches you everything that I know. So definitely go check that out if you're interested. Hopefully you liked the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, drop a comment down below, subscribe to stay updated with the build. Next up is some paint. And with that in mind, I will see you on the next one.